Akbaş, Turkish breed of dog. The Akbaş is a traditional Turkish breed or type of flock guardian dog from western Anatolia. The word Akbas means white head, and thus distinguishes this dog from the Karabaş, or black head. It was recognized by the Turkish Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Affairs in 2006. It is under the tutelage of the Turkish Dog Breed Society, but is not recognized by the International Canine Federation. The Akbaş is a flock guardian dog, providing protection from predators to shepherds and to their sheep. It does not have any herding ability. It is large and powerful dog. Mean body weight is approximately 45 kilograms, and mean height at the withers just over 75 centimeters. The name for this dog breed, known as the Akbaş, comes from the Turkish word akbas, meaning white head. It is not a traditional sheepdog used for herding sheep. It is a guardian dog that lives with its flock to protect it. The coat may be either long or of medium length. It is always double, and is usually white, though there may be some shading towards a biscuit color. As with other white-coated flock guardian dogs, the white coat makes it easy for the shepherd to distinguish between the dog and a predator, even in the dark. There is considerable feathering behind the legs, and the tail is heavily feathered. The Akbaş is a very alert, large-sized dog with a big white head and a powerful jaw. Its coat is a white, weather-resistant, double coat that helps it withstand cold weather conditions. The coat is coarse, but doesn't mat, and is free of the horrible doggy smell that water dogs have. It is an attractive big dog with a kind face similar to that of a retriever but a much bigger body and taller like a mastiff. This Akbaş dog breed has a combination of traits from both the Sighthound and the Molosser breeds, believed to have contributed to its bloodline. It appears to inherit its long legs, agility and speed from the Sighthound, and the strength, frame, and size from a Mastiff. The Akbaş is a traditional breed of livestock guardian dog, used to protect flocks from predators in the rugged terrain of western Anatolia. It is distributed mainly in the provinces of Afyon, Ankara, Eskişehir and Manisa. Some are present in the provinces of Agri, Konya, Sivas and Tunceli. It's alert, highly intelligent with great stamina. This is an agile working dog with a great sense of hearing that was bred to protect livestock and still retains those protective and guarding instincts as a family pet or for flocks under its care. It is very maternal over its flock and quickly forms trust with those it protects. Akbas dogs have strong instincts and are good at sensing danger or predators approaching. They are quite fearless and will bravely fight a battle beyond their ability to protect those around them. Barking and patrolling is their main method of defense. They are not an overly aggressive breed, but they will growl or bark at strangers, or if they sense anything unusual. This makes them a good watchdog at night or guardian for children and animals. As a very large and strong dog, it is fairly robust when it comes to playtime. This big dog can manage the playfulness of boisterous children, but not very young children, as it loves to play rough and is unlikely to get hurt easily. However, despite being top class for playfulness, the Akbaş has a relatively low energy level, and it may need more time out than most of the other working dogs it resembles. They have an independent nature, probably from herding and guarding on their own in isolated terrain. This dog breed enjoys its own company and enjoys some solitary time, so it is not common for them to suffer from separation anxiety when they are not with their master or family. The best environment is a blend of personal space and the company of loved ones in a big, fenced space, where the conditions are not too hot. This dog breed does not tolerate heat well due to its dense double coat. The Akbaş is a gentle dog who is very protective of their family. They're independent and will want to guard their space and home. It does not like strangers in its space. This breed is known as a hardworking livestock guardian dog that is protective of its flock but not usually aggressive. It can be friendly and will engage with people when trained and socialized, and because of its big size and powerful stature, it can endure lots of rough and tumble type play. But remember, it is important to treat all protection dogs with respect, otherwise it might feel challenged and react in a negative or aggressive way. A standard was published by the Turkish Standards Institution in 2002, and in 2006 the Akbaş was recognized by the Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Affairs. It was added to the list of recognized native breeds and types, and the breed standard was published in the Resmi Gazete, the official government gazette. That's it for now, and thank you for watching. If you liked our video, please give a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.